I hope your neighbor likes puke. I just hope she knows that I'm just
What?
I'm sure.
Do it again one more time for the camera.
No, I just wanted to puke on her neighbor's balcony. Want me to go again?
Yeah.
I can't make it happen. I'm sorry, sir.
Be responsible. 21.
I just wanted to puke on her neighbor's balcony. I'm gonna be
Dude.
100% honest on this one. I'm not even fucked up.
Who the fuck are you?
They call me Jesus Christ. I live in the Lord's body. I fucking came out your mother's mouth.
When she buys more somas, we'll get one maybe like
Keep coming.